Hi folks, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to easily remove a scuff mark from furniture off a painted wall. Now you can see this big scuff mark here, and it is, you can see it's pretty big. There's the size of my hand, so it's pretty good size. It's from a vinyl chair that we have, and my husband insisted on that chair hitting the wall when he leans back in it. And I said, hey, you're scoring up the wall. And he's like, he's not worried about it. So it's up to me to clean it. So anyway, all I'm going to use is this sponge, which is like a low abrasive, and some baking soda. And I want to show you, all I'm doing is taking just a little bit, this is a teaspoon, just a little bit of baking soda. The sponge is damp, and I'm just going to rub a little bit of baking soda in so it just goes in that sponge. I'm probably not even going to use the abrasive side, just the sponge side. And I want you to see how this comes off. This actually amazed me. I didn't think it would come off that easily, but it is, and I'm not scrubbing hard. And by the way, if you do this, you definitely want to give it a test first in an inconspicuous area, because you don't want to be taking all the paint off your wall. Well, see if it takes this off. I don't know, that looks like a gouge in the wall. Look at that. It's actually taken the majority of the stain off of the wall. Now I'm going to take the other side of the sponge, try to wipe it clean. Most of it is off. I think I just need to rinse my sponge now and make it a little cleaner. But I do have a damp rag here. Look at that. It's not 100%, but it's a whole lot better than it was. Whole lot better than it was. And I think if I keep going with it, it's just going to be a lot better. Just a little bit of baking soda on a damp sponge. You don't even need the abrasive side of the sponge. This is looking dirty because the sponge is now dirty from the vinyl. You see my shadow is in there, but look at that. Wow. That's a lot better. I'll keep working at this one little area. I didn't know that that would come out because it looked like a gouge. Okay, so if you have scuff marks on your wall, it certainly is worth giving it a try with just a little bit of baking soda and a sponge and a clean, damp rag. Wow. We'll see if my husband even notices that I got his scuff marks off the wall, and it was so easy. Let me challenge you to do the same. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Have a great day.